Quotidian. Used to describe something that happens every day or is part of normal daily life. It refers to things that are common, ordinary, and not special, such as daily routines, habits, or activities people do regularly. Synonyms: daily, everyday, usual, routine, regular, and ordinary. Antonyms: unusual, special, rare, uncommon, different, and exceptional. She follows her quotidian routine before going to work. Brushing teeth is a quotidian habit for most people. He writes notes about quotidian events in his diary. The teacher explains quotidian activities using simple classroom examples. Daily exercise becomes part of her quotidian lifestyle.